Hi. In the last video, we have almost finished the styling for our bottom section, and as you can see, we are almost done because there is still a slightly uneven edges that are not aligned. So to fix that, we should go over here, change the border to 2 pixels for our log section, and change the height to -4 pixels. So that would be 166 pixel, and okay, probably not. Okay, 176. Great, now they're aligned. We can move on. You can also remove the border inside our game UI container, but I kind of like it, so I'm just going to keep it there. All right, so now let me just reopen this screen. Okay, get rid of the border there. So sometimes it happens. Sometimes just a little bit glitchy on the Google Chrome side. I haven't updated the Google Chrome. Okay, so right now let's start getting started. To take care of the actions when we start clicking these buttons. So okay. The first thing I do is actually give back our Harry's house. So 100%. Great. And now I want to do the spell for Sectum Sepra. So in the index.html page, I find the button for Sectum Sepra, and I bind a new. I listen to a click event by v on this and click, and the shorthand method add sign click, and we push in the cast. Okay, equal cast sectum Sepra spell, and here we can start to specify this function here, and we will be needing the same thing for our Protego and Expecto Patronoms, and some code might be duplicate, so it's good to just click a universal parent function and pass in whatever code inside here as a callback to this function, right? So so I will do Harry cast spell here. Great. So in here, probably I will do this dot Harry is casting spell to true, and let's give it a property here, and then make it default by false. Great. So what is this thing do is that I want to bind this one swirling sort of animation with data property. So I can do that by finding the wand here. Okay, finding the wand for Harry. Okay, and bind this class to it. Class equals to object here. Harry is casting spell. Harry cast. Okay. Harry cast spell. Okay. So in here I will go and go to the Harry Potter model and specify that class. Okay, I will make it another universal sort of function name for that spell, and I will just make the animation from the wand to this place. Great. And in the index here, I will then change the name to this name instead. Great. And because we are including dash and underscore here, we should enclose this with quotation mark so that the Vue.js will know this is a string. Great. So now our model is now moving, which means whatever we are doing here is working. So in this place, we just call Harry cast spell. Great. It works. So now I just need to implement a set timeout here so that we can set this property back to false, and so we can click it multiple times. And yeah, let's do that. So set timeout. No, not this way. In here, we need to pass in an anonymous function, and I will give this sort of value. So 0.8 plus. Yeah, actually yes, 0.8 plus 0.8, 1.6. So I will make it 1,600 milliseconds because I also need to disable the buttons. So controls is disabled equals to true here, and anonymous function, because we are using a error sign, so it won't have its own keyword this. Whatever we pass in here, this will follow through. Okay. Let me think. I want to give them back to false here, and let's bind this keyword inside our space here. Great. And in our index file, let me attach the disable, bind this attribute to all buttons. So, okay, in here, control is disabled, and let me find the buttons. Okay, yeah. So I want to take in the button disabled equals to our show is disabled. So if it's false, then yeah. Great. And let's refresh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I think it was fine after we put in the spell animation as well. Great. Okay. So right now we just need to since we have already mentioned it, let's implement the styles for our spell. So sectum sempra here, and let's give it a class, a property name called Harry spells, and I would give this as an object. Sectum sempra is casting with false, and also protego and expecto patronum. Great. Default should be false. So in here, what we do is, I'm going to accept a callback, and I'm going to say this dot. Okay, I'm I'm thinking something like this. This may be wrong. Maybe later in the other video we're going to change. So we say this dot Harry spells dot sectum separa should be equals to true first, right? And we pass this function as a callback in no, no, as a callback anonymous function. Okay, a callback in here as well. And we want to have okay, let me think. And we want to execute our callback here. Yeah. And I want to attach this value in my index.html to our container, spell container. So let's find the spell container. So Harry Protego should be okay. No, 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 no. I should bind this property. It's a new class and it goes to object and spells sectum separa. Okay. In spells, now that we are triggering through this class, we don't put the animation inside the container anymore. We put them in the respective class name for that. Okay, so it means that we have successfully great. All right, now we are almost done. We just need to deduct the outermost else from here, taking as a callback as well. So this dot outermost else should be deduct by 10. Great. So now we have finished the sectum separa. I want to take a break, and we will quickly add the two functions for Protego and Specto in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.